Masking data using Synthesized is really easy. What we can do is we can create a new workflow. Now, we can either create an empty workflow or we can actually choose a templated version of that workflow to mask all data or mask sensitive data. For now, I'm just going to create an empty workflow. We can then select our input and output sources. And now our workflow is created. What I can now do is I can do a data sensitivity scan. This allows the system to understand which tables, columns, schemas are sensitive using our AI. We can see that during the scan, it said that these columns are sensitive. We can also, as a user, come in and change these. After that's done, we can apply our transformers. If we come back to the configuration, you can see that all of this has now been populated automatically to make sure that those fields that we showed as sensitive are now being masked. If we then run this, and I head over to my sample database, this was the production database where you can see we've got names, emails, phone numbers. We've also got sensitive information around accounts, transactions, locations. If I now come into my test database, which is where I generated the data, you can see that all those fields such as names, emails, they've all been masked. Similarly, with data such as location, that's also been masked because we identified that as sensitive. What's really key here is the referential integrity within the system has been